Today is Saturday. Puno naman. Puno naman ang ihawan sa Chongli. Wala na kami maupuan. Ano yata yung cellphone ko? Opo. Ay, sorry. I forgot my phone. Nakalimutan ko pala ang aking cellphone. Here, downtown Chongli. Guys. Para lang po itong nasa Pilipinas. Sabado, kaya medyo maraming tao. I need to, oh, Burger King, maybe here. I need to go in the Burger King. Oh. Can I go? Yes, of course. Burger King is here. The Burger King. Why? I don't know. Maybe here. Do they have a restaurant? Maybe there is. Do I? Ay, wala lang. Pumasok lang ako rito para mag-CR. Ganito pala. Meron palang Burger King dito. Oh, since 1954, but I've never been. Hindi ko pa na-try kumain sa Burger King. Beautiful. Oh, 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 oh.